Hi, this is Zach, and I'm going to show you how to palletize the units in Revit. So, if you have it installed, you should have a W&W Takeoff ribbon tab. If you go there, there's a button called Unit Sequence. I don't have an icon on it yet, but I hope to soon. When you click that, it opens up a window that taps into the Takeoff program database, and it looks very similar to the one that's in AutoCAD. It also works very similarly. If I wanted to see where Unit 1 was, I can click this View button, and it goes to that unit and highlights it so I can see where it is. Here's Unit 7, and here's Unit 17 up here. To sequence it, it works very similarly to AutoCAD as well. So if I wanted to add a unit to the end of this pallet, I can hit this plus button. It starts the unit sequence, and it shows all the units that have already been sequenced in this sort of bold black color. All the units that haven't been sequenced, which unfortunately isn't any in this job, they would be half-tone grayed out. You may notice that some of these don't look like they're units, and that's because these are a stick wall system. So if I wanted to add a unit here, I can click the unit. Just like in AutoCAD, it'll ask me if I want to move that unit to wherever it is, because this one is bold. Move it wherever it is into this pallet 1 underneath Unit 9 there. So I'll just move it, and it adds it to the end there. And I could just click through, just like I would in AutoCAD, selecting the unit tags. Once I'm done, I can hit save, refresh, and then I can add pallets by highlighting something and hitting the add pallet button, and it'll add a pallet right underneath where the unit that I have selected. So it works very similar to AutoCAD, and you can watch that video to see how that works in a little more depth. Alright, that's the unit sequencer in Revit. It's a lot easier to use because you have the 3D building. You don't have to figure out which page you're on. You could just orbit around, pick if the pallet wraps around the corner, it doesn't continue on a different sheet, you just do it all in the model, and you select whichever pallet's in whatever order is desired. That's it. Thank you very much.